Totallee has just released its super thin covers for all new iPhones, including the iPhone XS Max, XS and iPhone XR. Totallee has manufactured ultra-thin high-quality iPhone cases since 2013. All of its covers are incredibly thin, only 0.02, without marks and with a reasonable price. The company covers are available in 9 different colors and 3 different styles: matte, glossy. All the Totallee cases follow Apple's minimalist design aesthetic and are meant to complement, rather than overwhelm, the beautiful design of the iPhone. All of its cases are incredibly thin and ultra-light. Be subtle and elegant, that's why it eliminates logos and other distractions in their cases. Despite being ultra-thin, Totallee's cases also add protection where it is most important. These covers will protect your phone from bumps and scratches, without your phone operating as if it were a battle. For example, Totallee added a raised ring around the lens of the camera to keep it protected when the phone is placed face down. The case covers all sides and every corner of the iPhone, while allowing you to easily access all the necessary buttons and ports. The finish of the case also adds a much-needed grip to make your iPhone less slippery.